Welcome to Wells Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel, and today I am come up with a vegetarian dish that is called Hara Bhara kebab. Hara means green, Bara means with filled, and kebab is a package. So please note down the ingredients what we need. First of all, we need two bunch of spinach. So that will give us the green color. Then we need 1 cup of chana dal, that is chana lentil, chickpea lentils we get. Then we need roasted 2 tablespoons of chickpea powder. So this will be used for binding actually. Now here we need, when we are going to boil this lentil, that is dal, we are going to use this 1 bay leaf, 1 inch of ginger, we'll be chopping it very finely. Then we need 2 cloves of garlic, 3 green chilies, around 5 peppercorns of black peppercorns, and 4 of cloves. So these are all we need to boil our lentil, not in cooker but in the open pan, 7 minutes high flame. So first thing, we will chop this nicely finely. Now we will take around 3 cups of water . And we will add salt to this. Just add 1 teaspoon of salt. So let this get boiled, high flame, and we will add all this bay leaves, cloves, peppercorn, chilies and all that, and let it get a boil. And this we will wash now. If you want to soak this dal, you can soak this dal also for 30 minutes before. So now I'll add my washed dal in this, and high flame I will boil this on high flame, okay? Now we will have to boil our spinach also. Same way, wash this, chop it into halves and boil it. Let it cool down, and then we need a puree of it. So you will have to grind this. So we need puree of spinach. Okay, don't add any water. Once you boil, pass it into cold water, and then you grind it in your mixer and get a puree of this. So we will have to do that. And for our filling, we will need some grated paneer and some dry fruits like cashew nuts, finely chopped, some almonds finely chopped, some pistachio finely chopped, and green chilies finely chopped. So this will go into our filling. Okay. So once this is boiled, on high flame, once this is boiled into a puree, when we blanch it into a puree, this let it cool down. After cooling down, we have to grind it in the mixer to get a paste. We will get paste out of it. So you have to grind everything whatever is there. Take away the water and grind this dal into paste. Like after it is boiled for 7 minutes only. We don't want for more. We just want to boil this for 7 minutes. So once this is nicely boiled, strain the water and then grind it into fine paste. And then this and the puree will be mixed together. Okay. So now this is the paste of puree and our lentil, that is chana lentil, chana dal or chana lentil paste and spinach puree together. Now we need to fry this with roasted chickpea powder or chana powder. Then we will add ghee for frying and some chili, and we can add also peppercorns if needed, but already peppercorns we have, so no need. If you want spicy, then yes you can. So now we'll chop some chilies. So I've taken 3 chilies. I'll take 2 more and we will divide this. I will use this only for a filling also. So total 5 chilies I am taking. You can reduce your spiciness accordingly. So of this now we will take half for this and half for a paneer which we are going to grate and all. So we take ghee, fresh pure ghee, 1 teaspoon. And first thing we will put this roasted chana and fry in this. Now we'll add our chili in this. On medium flame. Now we will add this to this. I'll take big spoon. And mix this all nicely. Then after cooling you can do it nicely in hand also. Now it's hot. So now this has to fry for few minutes and see that you cool it, and then we'll start the procedure of making a patty, you can say, kebab, you can say, hara because it is green, bhara means we are going to fill this with some filling, and kebab is patties. So here So this is like 2-3 minutes you do. So this is my grated cottage cheese or paneer. So this is my filling, and I will add this chilies to this to give some nice spicy and sweetness and tangy also. And we will crush some pepper powder. Spicy things, how much spices you want and how much you are used to, it's all up to you. You can avoid this chilies and crushed pepper also. Now we'll mix this together all nicely. So grated paneer I have taken like 100 grams, and dry spices according to you. So some almonds, cashew nuts, all is there, and pistachio is also there. So this is all up to you, and this will go in our filling. So this is done. So now I will show you how to assemble this, and for this very simple, either you wet your hands or you can apply oil to this. So now take this in your hand, make a ball. It's like how you make potato chops or whatever chops, and then you make a well in between and put this in this, and then cover this. So you can put lots also. And cover this nicely with your other hand. And this is your kebab. See that they are all nicely closed, very nicely. And we will make like this. One more I will show you. So take, it is like very heavy, very tasty. Check your salt. Any other seasoning you want to add, you are most welcome to add. And like this. And close this. You can give any type of shape, whichever you want. So this is so like this only I will make all other thing, and then this has to keep in the refrigerator for around 30 minutes and then fry. Okay, if you don't want to give, that is also fine. Now we will add oil in our pan, shallow frying, and then we will fry this. So here is the oil for frying. The oil is hot. Now we will add this to fry. Fry it on slow fire. Everything is cooked. We have to only give a fry, flip flop and fry it. Okay. So now we'll turn this slowly. Fry this for around 5 to few minutes actually. Once you get that crispiness on top, that means it is ready. Here it's done, so I will remove this now. And it's ready to serve. Nice aroma because spinach is there, some green chilies is there, and very easy. Then we will have to, it's hot it is, but I will show you all how to. And then you cut like this. Cheesy, yummy. So, hope you will enjoy this. I'm going to enjoy this. And thank you so much. Thank you.